guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Neelam and today's video is about this new palette that I'm going to be trying. New for me, it was launched a while ago, but I just got it in UAE. I ordered it from the Morphe site, and this is the new Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 palette. This is literally going to be first impressions because I've not swatched this palette. And yes, I look weird because I've left my eye makeup. This video is only about eye makeup. I have actually not thought of the look. I'm just going to go in, look at the eyeshadow palette and create whatever I feel like. So I'm going to share with you my first impressions, how I feel about the product, the formula and the colors. And I hope this video helps you create some looks. I'm just going to open this palette. It's literally bubble wrapped. I just opened it once for my Instagram stories. This is the packaging. I'm gonna open it. This is actually my first Morphe product. I ordered a bunch of products. I don't know if you saw it in my Insta stories, but this was my first haul from Morphe, and I was quite impressed with the way the products are. I've tried a couple of brushes. I'm going to use a few that I ordered today. I'm actually quite frustrated because I haven't done makeup for brides for a very long time and it's getting over my nerves. This lockdown is really getting me annoyed because I really want to get back to work. But YouTube is my savior. I get to do all my creativity here. So yes. Okay, I have to show you this palette. The colors are amazing. So I like the fact this is a combination of bright colors and neutrals. So if you want to create something that is an everyday look, you have some neutrals here. And if you want to go and play with some vibrant colors, the purples, pinks, corals are all here. It also has a black eyeshadow which will help you create smoky eyes as well. So let's dive into it. So before getting into the eyeshadow, I'm going to quickly prep my eyes. I've done my entire face except my eyelids. So I'm going to start with using the P. Louise base in the shade Rumor 2. I'm using my beauty sponge to blend it out. This is one of my favorite bases for eyelids. It kind of brings out all the pigments so well. I'm also going to add a little extra setting powder under my eye just in case if there is any fallout. I'm using this for the first time, so I just want to be careful. And I'm going to set my under eye with this. So this comes with 35 pans and the pans are really decent size, which I'm quite impressed with. For the price that I paid, I think it was $42, I believe, but I'll double check and put it in the description. That is a very good deal. That comes to about 130 dirhams, 140 dirhams. To find a palette with so many shades, it's very difficult in price range. So that is something that if you're looking for, this eyeshadow palette is perfect. So I'm going in with the first shade, which is Dance Party. This is the shade. I'm going to start by placing it on my crease. Wow. I mean, I barely picked up any product. I'm going to bring it slightly towards the inner side of the crease. I'm impressed. Okay, I'm going all the way in. I couldn't resist. I'm going all the way in. Now I'm going to take a fluffy blending brush from the same brush set and pick up the shade Therapy Session. I honestly don't know where I'm going with this look, but I feel like taking a therapy session. So with this shade, I'm going to grab like a decent quantity and start blending it on my crease. Like blend this color on the crease with the shade that I went in before, which was Dance Party. This is very easy to blend. I'm like barely putting any effort. With whatever's left on the brush, I'm going in on above my crease and kind of smoking it out. Next, I'm going in with a flat blending brush and picking up the shade Crazy. So I'm trying to kind of play around with different tones here. This is like a deep maroon. I'm dying. This is so pretty. And bring it towards 1/3 of the lid and just blend it out. Now what I'm going to do is go back with the same blending brush and smoke out this. I'm trying to create like a lifted effect for my eyes. So now I want to go in a little deeper on the crease. So I'm going to go in with the same shade Crazy and add a little to the crease. Okay, this is going extremely well. Now I want to do some glitters. So for glitter, I'm going in with the shade Get Ready With Me, GRMW. I am going to use this silicone brush to pick it up, and I'm going to start by placing it. There's a little fallout. Let me try with my fingers. Para with fingers. Maybe next video that I'm creating with this eyeshadow palette, I'll try with the damp brush. But for now, I think this is pretty good. I'm going to move on with the lower lash line. I'm going to kind of clean this up so that we can go ahead and play with the lower lash line. I want to add a pop of pink to my lower lash lines. I'm going to use the shade Lolly Mama. I want like a very nice smoked up effect, so I'm going in with a fluffy brush and placing it all over my lower lash line. I'm just going to clean up a little bit with the setting powder. I'm going to take a flat packed brush and pick up the same shade to increase the intensity. And then go in with a even more brighter pink, which is the shade Tipsy Girl. This is a more neon pink kind of a shade. Just placing it on the center. You see this? So it's got like a nice brighter effect. So this gap that we see right now, I want to quickly connect that. So I'm going to go in with the shade Crazy, which was the deepest shade that I used. Kind of place it here, just at the end of the eye, and blend it out. And then bring it a little on the lower lash line as well. Just because I want to take things to the next level, I'm going to add a little bit of this black color, which is called Temptress. It's got a very slight shimmer to it. Just gonna add it towards the end of my eye. And then bring it to the lower lash line. I'm going to take the same blending brush from Zoeva and smoke this black out. Okay, time for the inner corner and the brow bone. So for the brow bone, I'm going to use this matte white shade, which is Certified, because I don't want more shimmer than it already has. And just place it on my brow bone and blend it out. And for the inner corner, I'm going to use the shade next to it, which is called I'm In It. It's a slightly more pearl shimmery shade, and place it on the inner corner. It's got like a holographic sheen to it. Okay, I'm going to take a fluffy blending brush and smoke out everything on the lower lash line. For the kohl, I'm using the Inglot Kohl pencil in the shade 01. This is one of my favorite kohls, and it's like a deep matte black, and it's so easy to blend and it stays forever. One of the things that I ordered from Morphe was this Q-tip. So this is so good. This has got a flat end and a pointed end. So in case if you get some eyeshadow that is accumulating in the inner corner, you can just pick it up and clean it. And this is for like kind of cleaning up this. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to blend this liner. I'm going to pick up the shade Temptress again on a flat angled brush and kind of blend the kohl. So for the eyeliner, I'm using the Maybelline Curvitude eyeliner. This is like an angled felt tip liner, which has got a very beautiful tip. And it's got an angle, so it's very good to create a wing. So I'm just going to go in the lines of the shape we created. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use the tip of this eyeliner and create like a slightly more pointed inner corner. For mascara, I'm using Hourglass Caution Extreme Lash Mascara. I'm applying mascara on the upper and the lower lash line both. For the past couple of videos, I'm so used to the voiceover. Now I feel like, oh, let me do it, then I'll add a voiceover. But it makes a huge difference of like the editing when you're talking during the video, because it makes like a slightly more engaged vibe, like I'm doing it and talking to you. I enjoy that myself as well. So this is something you can stop here. I'm gonna add lashes as well because I love lashes. I'm gonna quickly do the other eye and come back. I'm gonna use the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish Powder, flawless finish powder, and use a powder brush and kind of clean up a little bit. For lashes, I'm going to be using these Kiss lashes. It's called Little Black Dress. I already have a full lash application tutorial on my channel and I'm going to link it right now. So you guys, if you need to watch it, you can see it. However, lashes are not necessary with this look. If you have decent lashes, I don't have great lashes, so I just like to add false lashes on top. I'm gonna add a slightly more brighter pink lipstick to add a little more pink to the look, like it was not enough. The lipstick I used was the NYX lipstick in the shade Prague. I'm gonna top it up with the NYX lip gloss in the shade Honeymoon. So guys, the overall verdict of this palette is that it is gorgeous when it comes to formulation. There was a little fallout, yes, there was. A lot of people care about it, a lot of people don't, but I'm okay because fallout is absolutely fine. That's not something that you can't fix. You got to be always cautious. But the payoff of the colors is amazing. The shade range is beautiful. I am super happy with this purchase, and I have the volume 1 coming to me as well very soon, so I'm very excited to try that. I wanted to do 2 looks in the video, but I don't think I can squeeze in 2 looks because after cleaning this off, doing it again, I'm not sure how to do it, so I'm gonna keep it for the next video. I'm gonna create a series of looks with this eyeshadow palette. At least 3 looks I'll try to create, so that if you guys want to see how the same palette can be used for different looks, it would be something that is helpful. And let me know, how did you find this look? I think it is a very fun, colorful look. If you especially are somebody who loves pink, this is something you can create with this palette, or you could create a different version of this as well. I hope you guys liked the video. Please do hit the like button if you did, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Guys, this helps me a lot, so please do subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon.